Despite the new name, the 2024 Audi Q8 e-tron is very much the Audi e-tron SUV that came before it, albeit with a number of major improvements in key areas. The e-tron was one of the first fully electric luxury SUVs that came to the US market, and for 2024 it's getting a raft of updates that include that new Q8 moniker. It keeps its floor-mounted battery, standard all-wheel drive thanks to front and rear electric motors, and 2-row 5-passenger layout. To the untrained eye, the new car and the old e-tron look largely the same on the outside, and for some that's fine. The previous e-tron was a restrained but handsome thing. For others, a more radical departure from the previous car would have been a welcome change. But if you want radical, there is always the BMW iX and its interesting exterior design. Either way, small detail changes like an active grille with shutters that close and a new LED light strip at the front help differentiate the Q8 e-tron from the car that came before it. The changeover to Q8 e-tron brings with it a number of improvements that you can't see, however. While the looks don't change much and the interior is by and large the same, the Q8 e-tron gets the option for a bigger battery pack, adds range, and will be able to charge slightly quicker than the e-tron that came before it. It will be available in a number of variants, too. There will be the base Q850 e-tron with a 95 kWh battery pack and its Sportback equivalent, while Q8 e-tron and Sportback models with the 55 designation get the more powerful battery pack. The more performance-oriented S models return with their 3-motor setup and more power. The SQ8 e-tron and SQ8 e-tron Sportback represent the tippy-tip of the new Q8 e-tron range and will carry the heftiest premium, even if prices haven't been revealed yet. The last e-tron was a solid all-around vehicle, but that was when it debuted for 2019. In just a few short years Mercedes, BMW, Genesis and others have caught up to the e-tron. Hopefully the refreshed model can retain its relevance and take another, more convincing shot at the luxury of SUV crown.